I'm just going to show an example what this really means. So let's take this integers here, start from 0, 1. This might be enough. I'm writing the complete definition right here. Okay. So let's take a look at between 0 and 1, see what's happening between 0 and 1. So then I will put x between 0 and 1 like this. So if you take any number between 0 and 1, for instance, if you take, let's say, 0.6, right? So by definition, this is the definition of the floor function. The definition is you're going to take an integer, you're going to take the greatest integer, not greater than 0.6. So the greatest integer that is smaller than 0.6 is 0. So everything here, so everything between 0 and 1 is simply just going to be 0, and 0 is this. So this is the value of function, but I didn't include the 1, so I'm going to put an open circle there. So this is going to be 0. Now I'm looking at everything between 1 and 2. So I include the 1 in my second interval. So here's an example. Take an x value between 1 and 2. So let's say 1.3. So we're going to pick up the greatest integer, which is smaller than 1.3. That's 1. So that means everything between 1 and 2 is going to be 1. And similarly, if you look at the next one is going to be 2. So everything between 2 and 3 is going to be 2. So if you just keep on doing this, you're going to get like a step function or a piecewise function like this. So for instance, the next one will look like this, and the one after that will look like this. So this will keep on going. What I'm doing here is, so this was 2, and then we can just keep on doing this. What I'm doing here is now answering this question: when x approaches 1/2, floor function. But where is 1/2? Well, 1/2 is right here. 1/2 is right here. 1/2, because 1/2 is on this line, so everything between 0 and 1 is just going to be, it's just going to have a value of 0, because y is 0 here, right? On this line, y is 0. So basically, this is just going to be 0. You could just plug it in, and it will look like this. So it will be 1/2, which is 0.5. So by definition, this is just going to be 0. So that's basically limit of that function will be 0 in that interval.